Well, hello there, good people of the interwebs. I am the Tech Guy of Gaming, the hero among gamers, and today I have a gift. I actually got something in the mail, a very big something. And even though I didn't really close the door, allow me to show you all this big something. This big something, rather, is something I ordered from Anime Jungle. I have ordered this from Anime Jungle not too long ago. And it's because it's something I usually do around the holidays. Something I always do during my free time when I'm not really focusing on doing Let's Plays and whatnot. And that is read. I'm an author, so I need to read in order to get some better, and I do mean better, ideas. So, for that, let's open this thing. If I could pull this off properly. I'm just going to say this. And feel free to say what that famous saying is. I know I'm sliding off it. She's a teeny bit, but not that much. But I think you'll be pleased with the results as I am actually opening this thing up. Truly, the pen is mightier than the sword. And my sword is sitting right behind it. So, had some ramen on my fingers. Ramen powder. Well, actually, I had some barbecue sauce on my fingers because I made a burger. Okay, so we take this out. And lo and beholden, as we put this away, because I plan to basically throw that out anyway. Alright. As we see, my cat and his girlfriend cat has orders not to let his woman bother him while he's eating. But indeed, what have I got in here? It's something I said I really wanted to finish. The thing is, this box is so very collapsible. Very, very much collapsible. So, of course, like I said, this came from Anime Jungle. You can see right there, it just came from Anime Jungle. Like I said, I very much frequent that place, but I never buy anything from there. Because I always had this thing about if I were to buy, say, like a bus or something like that, I couldn't do it. Reason because I have tomb. It's like a bus would be like very, very fragile, so therefore it will be too much to handle. So yeah, so I got this from Anime Jungle. Waited quite a while for this. And yeah, so everything is there. Of course they show some, of course they are still showing the following: Kill I Kill. Of course they're showing, you know, all their stuff, like they have all this. They have a buyback program. I don't really need to, if I really need to sell something, I would do it from, you know, just go in. Don't really have to do anything but just go in. And they're located here in Little Tokyo, this little nook right here. This is where they're located. If you guys can see that, this is where they're located, right there. I've taken my girlfriend there, and she has had the liberty of squeeing in the face of such awesomeness. I too have felt the power to squee in the face of such awesomeness. And of course, they always send me a trading card, and today's trading card is Inuyasha. Two-sided Inuyasha. We've got, well, actually no, it's an Inuyasha card, and on the back of it we have Hidekups. And that's from Sungos. And that's Sango. They always give me some kind of trading cards. So last time it was a Common Rider card. Today it was Inuyasha. And last time I actually ordered something, it was just basically a weapon set. It was a great, well, yeah, it was a weapon set. It was a Mazinger Z weapon set. So, what I'll be doing during my short-lived break is the following. I have ordered the following: Rurouni Kenshin Volume 6, Volume 7, Volume 8, and the last being Volume 9. I wanted to order Volume 5, but 5 was not in stock, so therefore I basically bought the rest of the series. And like I said, I usually read during the holidays, because I actually have all of the Rurouni Kenshin series. The Rurouni Kenshin series right here are somewhere down there. It's probably somewhere down there. 3 is right beside me. I'm still reading it, by the way. Volume 4 is right beside my 360, and on top of, and it's under a lot of games. But I will be reading. This is what I do during the holidays. I really do enjoy reading during the holidays. So more than likely, I will open these up like so. And mind you, I'd rather get these better than getting like the normal size. I mean, it's $18. $18 for something like this. But it saves me a lot of money if I buy something that's $20 compared to something that's like say, if it was like Sailor Moon or Yu Yu Hakusho. Yes, I'd read Sailor Moon. Deal with it! I think what I'm also going to do on my break, because yeah, I plan to, after doing my Christmas LPs, I am going to take a break. More than likely continue some more Breath of Fire and Final Fantasy VII stuff. And more likely work on February Let's Play as my New Year's Let's Play. And because February means so much too. Means so much, but probably so little to us. Well, I got something special in mind. Something wacky, something silly, something crazy. But it's all fun. Some of you know, but yet some of you don't know. And that's the way I like it. Not trade secret, it's just the way it is. Pretty sure some of you know, but then some of you don't know. And as I am basically, oh, there it is. I'm trying to find the sweet spot to open the wrapping from the manga. And it's a beautiful thing about this anime store because, like I said, it is in Little Tokyo, and it's like probably like an hour away from where I live. It's still in Los Angeles, but still, it's nooked for the most part. So therefore, for the most part, well nooked, but you have to walk around to actually find it. I mean, that's how far the store is. It actually shows up at Anime Expo every year. So that's where I find, like, Doraemon and something like that. And mind you, this is the final volume, and like I said, it has a three volume. It covers 3 volumes in one book. So therefore, when I read, you know, when I find myself a chance to read, I usually read like at least 50 to 100 pages normally. Very much, you know, normally I do that. Just like I said, I like to read. Always had a love for reading. And probably that's what I need to do in order to get myself back to where I should be. Because like I said in my previous video, it is hard to actually maintain a good imagination. Especially when you feel so worn out and you can't really think of a good scene to actually write. So to me, I need a good scene every so often. I need to basically just let my mind just wander. But yes, I will more likely try to get something else from Anime Jungle, or maybe being so nice, as I'm actually looking this up right now as we speak. You see, I'm a member of Anime Jungle, since I usually just buy stuff. They have a Goku cap, a Divine Demon Dragon Gaiking model, and story things. They also sell DVDs, CDs, and yes, they sell just about everything. I mean, really everything. And just about everything you can possibly imagine, because like I said, I don't really go out to that store very often, and when I do, it's usually on my birthday. And even there, it's like, it's just too much awesomeness for me to. It is really just too much awesomeness. I cannot stress that enough, because it does have a lot, and I gotta say, it's just that crazy. So yeah, this place, and I will put in the description box below where you can possibly find this stuff, because let me tell you, man, I mean, they do PayPal, they do Visa, so if you feel a need to whet your anime appetite, check out animejungle.net. I kid you not. They do have 2 stores. They are open on holidays and Sundays, but they are always closed on Tuesdays. The one here is where I'm at. So the weekday hours are 12 to 8, closed on Tuesday. Saturdays are 11 to 8. Sundays are 11 to 7, as well as holidays. In Japan, they're in Osaka. Whereas they're downtown in Little Tokyo. And their hours are 11 to 7, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m., and they close on Wednesdays. But they do have some freaky cool shit. They even have Kamen Rider, Ultraman, some Tokusatsu, if you are into this TV. Some are just crazy. And they sell the Beetleborgs. They sell the Beetleborgs DVDs. Devilman, Executive Koala. I mean, they sell some weird ass shit, but it's that kind of good shit, Plus, there are some videos I frequent. There are some videos I do frequent. I find at my local expo. I really have gone to since. I really should, just so you guys can see where I get where I usually find some really rare stuff that you couldn't find. Even at Anime Expo, I have a good eye for rare rarities. But yeah, what I've ordered, I am definitely going to enjoy reading during the holiday season, because, like I said, I need me some inspiration, and I draw inspiration from reading and watching anime. Like I said, I usually just do a lot of reading, so. I mean, the last thing that they did send to me in the mail was, this was the last thing they did send me in the mail. Tenchimuyo War in General. That's the last thing they really did send me in the mail. Been keeping their stuff ever since. More than likely because it usually shows up on the anime site I usually go to, which is gogoanime.com. And I will also put the link in the description below. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I think I have covered most of my list. Yeah, that was my past self to my future self. So yeah, I just basically spent $93 on this alone. Just these 4 Just these 4. Right. These 4. These 4 books. The new, fresh books now. I'm going to enjoy reading these. And let me tell you, I'm going to be happy that I am catching up on some casual reading. Even if they are novels, I'm still going to be very much happy. So with that, stay tuned for more videos in the not so far future. And if I don't get a chance to see you next week, I want to wish each and every one of you the happiest of holidays, Merry Christmas, and have a wonderful and safe New Year, especially when you're working at the mall. That one's for you, Big, because I know you're going to need it. And to anyone who else works at a mall or a chain of some sort, or yeah, you have my sympathies if you are working at the mall. Just remember, stay away from Walmart during the holiday season. It's for the best. Alright, but until then, take care. See you around. And God bless. This is Tenkaichi signing off. And I am out. Tenkai Muso.